पीएस न्यूज में आपका इस्तेमाल है। मैं हूं आपका दोस्त मोहम्मद जावेद। हम रखिए खबरों पे नजर, आप रखिए खबरनामे पे नजर।
Foremost, most important thing మనకి చేయడానికి it's to see that anybody who comes to the police station has a proper disposal of the complaint. So the complaint, the proper disposal means the disposal as per law, whatever the law permits us, what rules are there in place. So we should ensure that we are able to give them a good, disposal as mandated by the law. So that is a very important priority for us. So that's something we will work very hard towards. And it may sound very simple to do that. It's just a one line, but to put the things into place to see that everybody, right from the sector SIs to the SHOs, DC, ACPs, DCPs, CP, everybody works towards that goal. We will try to make our best efforts for that. So that is one, adi chala important okati component ma kosam. Second, I think earlier also, and you are also all aware that Cyberabad lo economic offense, the so-called what we call commonly as white collar crime, it's pretty dominant because of various reasons. A lot of industries are there, a lot of companies are there, a lot of enterprises are there, and of course a lot of land issues also are there. So because of that we have a chala big component of white collar crime, and a proper disposal of white collar crime is very important because people lose a lot of money, lot of their hard-earned money and their properties in that. So వాళ్ళకి ఒక ప్రాపర్ డెలివరీ ఆఫ్ జస్టిస్ మనం ఎన్ష్యూర్ చేయడానికి అది చాలా ట్రై చేస్తాం. అండ్ ఆల్రెడీ మీకు దిస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఈస్ నాట్ అ న్యూ వన్. సైబర్ క్రైమ్ అది కంటిన్యూస్లీ ఫర్ లాస్ట్ ఫ్యూ ఇయర్స్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆన్ ద రైజ్, అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్